Sherrell.
Thank you, Chairman. And Representative Freeman, I know you've went through a very tragic thing in your life and situation. This is a very serious topic that we're talking about, this legislation. In my opinion, it's a very dangerous thing that we are talking about taking a life, very dangerous. You know, to my understanding of what we read in the Bible, God gives life and God takes life. That's Bible, not us. A doctor, I'm going to say Dr. Kumar or Dr. Terry, and other doctors probably sitting out in here, they have a great responsibility to save a life instead of taking a life. I think that would be going against what they are sworn to do, to take a life, and that'd be the one that would be doing this, not me or you or whoever. It would be the doctor administrating what we're talking about doing. So I just feel like it's a very dangerous situation that we would be thinking about getting ourselves into if we were to do this. So thank you very much.